If upon launch of wampserver the icon stays orange, the icon may indicate a couple of problems. Most likely either the port WAMP is listening on isn't open or the database fails to start. First, try checking on the MySQL configuration file my.cnf. The icon will stay orange if you have allocated too much memory to a database, MySQL or MariaDB. Try adjusting the size of the InnoDB buffer pool to a smaller value. If that doesn't work, try changing the listen entry in the httpd.conf to make WAMP listen on any other port than 80. Changing listen 80 to listen 1111 and then accessing localhost to the defined port should do the trick. If that doesn't work, try checking on software that listens on the port 80 and changing its settings. Skype was a famous one in the past, and the port could have been changed by navigating to tools and options and then fiddling with proxy settings. If neither of those options work, observe the error log provided by WAMP and act accordingly. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to see more tutorials situated around solutions to problems, and until next time.